following message is transmitted, at the request of Emergency Management of the State of Texas. A virus has escaped from the Texas Medical Center in the city of Houston. Infected individuals are showing symptoms that include headache, fever, chills, dementia, and hallucinations. The individual then enters a coma for several hours. Once they awaken, they begin to attack other human beings. Everyone in the state is currently in extreme danger. Numerous quarantine locations are being set up throughout the eastern half of Texas. If you observe an individual that experiences these symptoms and enters a coma, take them to one of these quarantine locations immediately, or call 911. Do not take them to a hospital. If not quarantined, the virus may be transmitted to other individuals.